Alright, so yeah, I've had high winds and my Midi Heki has broken on the hinge side in the high winds. I'll just see if I can get up here one-handed just to show you. Like, all the lock mechanisms are fine. The actual lock here is fine. Everything else works fine. It's the actual hinge side. And the only videos I can find online are showing the actual hinges broken, but you can see mine's actually snapped along the full length. The hinges are still intact. It's the plastic snapped. So I literally, I believe I'm going to have to replace the whole roof. I don't know if you can actually see that, but yeah, the whole hinge is still intact. The plastic's broken just above where it's gusseted. Yeah. Okay, well, here we are up on top of the bus, and as you can see, the whole plastic hinge side of the Midi Heki is broken. There is a slight lip that I can see along that underneath of the glass there, so it might be that I might be able to glue this just to stop rain from getting in. But as you can see, all of the four hinges are all intact. It's the actual plastic that's broken. So I'm going to be able to push that back over and maybe run a bead of silicone just to stop water from getting in. Yeah, that's an issue. Okay, so I've just opened it up from the bottom and pushed that flat back in. But yeah, that's not going to seal very well if we get some torrential rains again. Yeah, that's a big issue. I don't understand. Like, all the videos that I've seen online show the four hinges breaking, not the plastic. That's the first time I've ever seen that. Maybe it's just been brittle in the sun. I've only had, this in for maybe 3 years. So you wouldn't have think that would be the case. Anyway, I've emailed Dometic, and so I'm waiting for them to email me, and I'll send them some pictures. As I said, it's all working. It's the push bar version with the locking mechanisms, so I don't understand how it even opened up, but wind must have come underneath from this side and just lifted it up and smashed it there. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to glue that without it failing again. So for me, it's replace the whole lid. The mechanisms all work, the push bar works, the light even still works. Obviously the night blind and the mosquito netting still work. Everything still works. But that's the first time I've seen that fail like that. So I'm going to make up a bit of a video and put it on YouTube, and we'll see if anyone else has had this kind of issue and how it was remedied and how Dometic remedied it. Yeah, it seems like a failure in this product rather than a user error. So surely they should come up with something apart from just having to replace the whole part for, the cost of just replacing the whole unit. It looks like there's another piece that's supposed to go on the outside even that's missing now as well. I don't know. Very disappointing.